Hi guys, I'm Alina. Today we continue trading on a Quotex platform, and before we start, I recommend you trading by my signals where the profit of transactions is more than 80%. Please come to my Telegram for more details and let's start trading. Let's consider the ADX indicator. For this we will select it. We'll leave these settings for personal convenience. We will choose the color for the ADX lines. It will be blue. Everyone can choose any color for convenience. Plus DI in green and minus DI in red. We select this setting. Set the indicator. I'll tell you a little about it. ADX primarily helps to determine which phase the market is in a trend or flat. It also indicates the direction of the trend, downtrend or upward, thereby helping to determine the point of opening a deal and the strength of the trend. The ADX indicator consists of three moving lines, as we can see already marked minus D in red, plus DI in green, and the ADX lines itself in blue. If this ADX line crosses or prevails at the 25 mark, where our average value is 25, then the trend prevails in the market. There is an uptrend, and if it's lower, then the price is in flat, and as we see at this stage 17 means it's in underbought state and at the level of a downtrend. Then we will consider several strategies with the operation of this indicator and try for transactions when minus DI crosses positive, that is from the bottom up. If this intersection occurs, then as we see from the chart, the red went up, the green down, the trend began to downtrend and vice versa. If the plus DI green line crosses the red line, then the trend starts to ascend. We can also see that is this on the chart if the moving average ADX is between given levels. Then the price is in flat, that is its value of 25. Then it will be more difficult to open deals according to this trend. We will now demonstrate this strategy and choose an expiration time of 1 minute, and let's use a suitable strategy for a currency pair that is suitable for us. It should also be said that if the ADX crosses the plus and minus DI, that is it's above these lines, this tells us about the beginning of an uptrend. Let's choose a currency pair as we see that we are starting a flat. Then the trend is expected to be upward, but the currency pair is not suitable for opening a deal. Choose another. Here we also see that our moving average is in the middle, below 23. Plus DI prevails at the intersection, so we expect to open a deal on a price increase. We see we have closed the deal perfectly, and we will choose the next currency pair. Here, as we see, the price starts to extend from the resistance level, and upward movement is also expected, so we will open our deal for an increase in the price. This is a convenient point for in turn this trend. Now let's wait for the end of the time frame, and at the end of the time frame we will go to a convenient point. When we open our deal, we see what we could have opened not earlier, since the trend continued. The plus DI crossing went beyond the value of the ADX line, so now an upward trend is awaiting us. We extend the resistance level and move the price further. On this we can successfully close the deal. Let's wait for it to close. Great, we close our trade. Let's choose the amount of 600. Choose a currency pair. As these strategies we see works fine for us, so here we can open our double trade to reduce the price. As now we see what we have the intersections of our minus DI and plus DI begins. We also see that the ADX goes below 25. This indicates a downtrend, so we have now opened our deals at the opening of a downtrend, as we can confidently close them at the beginning of this trend. Let's wait for the end. So great, let's open the final deal. We will choose a suitable currency pair. We can open a double deal to reduce the price, as we see minus DI crossed plus DI. We also see that the ADX line has a downward direction, but is above our plus and minus DI lines. This indicates that the trend was upward. As we see on the chart by now, at the intersection of the trend, we can open our deal. We see how minus DI trend to cross at the lines, so we expect to close our deal in plus. So we closed successfully all the deals. So we demonstrated the ADX indicator in 4 deals, how it works and how to open deals according to trends, telling the strategy and earning $2,000. And in conclusion, I want to recommend you my private channel with my own strategy. You can find it by link in the descriptions, and nice bonuses will be waiting for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.